Hi friends, risks associated with being overweight. Being overweight increases the risk of a number of serious disease and health conditions. Below is a list of said risks according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. First, high blood pressure. Overweightमुळे high blood pressure होऊ शकतो. Second, higher level of LDL cholesterol, which is widely considered as a bad cholesterol. Lower level of HDL cholesterol, considered to be good cholesterol in moderation, and high level of triglycerides. ओव्हरवेटमुळे LDL म्हणजे बॅड कोलेस्ट्रॉल वाढते आणि HDL म्हणजे गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल कमी होते आणि ट्रायग्लिसरॉइड्स वाढतात. थर्ड, टाईप 2 डायबिटीज ओव्हरवेटमुळे होऊ शकतो. 4, कोरोनरी हार्ट डिसीज हृदयाचा रोग होऊ शकतो. 5, स्ट्रोक. 6, गॉल ब्लॅडर डिसीज. 7, osteoarthritis, a type of joint disease caused by breakdown of joint cartilage. Sleep apnea and breathing problem. Certain cancers, for example, endometrial cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, kidney cancer, liver cancer, etc. Low quality of life. Mental illness such as clinical depression, anxiety, and others. Body pains and difficulty with certain physical functions. Generally, an increased risk of mortality compared to those with a healthy BMI. Thank you.